So guys, the number one website is Canva Design School. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to put the link to all these websites in the description. All right. So Canva is already a favorite tool for many. I'm included in that many, by the way. And their design school takes it to the next level. Okay, it offers free courses, quick tutorials, and design challenges that are perfect for beginners. Okay, so this is the Canva homepage, and it offers courses or tutorials on how to make logo, flyer, banner, photo collage, poster, so many other things. Okay, so if you want to view, these are their courses. You can click see all to see all the courses they have to offer. Then certifications, you have to take some tests to earn official Canvas certifications. All right, and these are their tutorials. These are the topics they have. You can click here as well to see all of them. All right, so Canva is very good. I can say that. All right, I've used it for some time now, and it's so good. And it's easy. It's easy. They made it easy, so easy that one can just learn. Once you look at it, you know what to use already and how to apply things there. Okay. And the best part, you can immediately apply what you learn using Canvas drag and drop tools. Okay. It's like learning and practicing at the same time. So this is very good, guys. So guys, the second website we are going to look at is Envato Thoughts Plus, okay? And this is their homepage. So this site is packed with free graphic design tutorials that cover everything from logo design to typography, all right? So you see here, you have infographics, 3D design, and print design, apparel design, logo design, icon design, packaging, book design, branding, motion design, and so many others, guys. So this is also good. So the tutorials are easy to follow, and they come with downloadable project files. So you can learn by doing, which is good. Okay. So if you are looking for variety, guys, Envato Thought Plus has something for everyone. Yes, it has something for everyone. All right. So the third website we are going to check out today is Coursera. I know so many of you have heard of Coursera before. All right. And so many of you have started using it already. So while many Coursera courses are paid, you have to pay for them, you have to pay to enroll. So do you know that you can also audit courses there for free? Like, you don't have to pay. That means you get access to all the video lessons and reading materials without paying a cent. Okay. And guys, you can check out the graphic design specialization by Kalat, also under Coursera. Okay, it's a game changer for beginners. Yeah. So this is it, guys. This is the graphic design specialization. See it here. Graphic design specialization. This is a by Kalat. So you can enroll for free. You see the number of people that have enrolled already. You have 300 and something thousand people that have enrolled already. All right. Then this Coursera, they have a 5 course series, all right? So which includes fundamentals of graphic design, introduction to typography, introduction to image making. And by the way, for each course, if you want to see the details, you click on course details to see the details of each of them. All right. So it takes you through 5 course series. All right. Okay. So, guys, the fourth website we'll be looking at today is the normal and our lovely and our beloved YouTube. Okay. All right. So YouTube is so good as well. I'm in YouTube. I have a channel which I'm using to do this tutorial. Okay. So of course we can't leave out YouTube. There are tons of creators sharing free graphic design tutorials, tips, and tricks on YouTube. So channels like you have the future, they also have if you want to go for their academy, if you want to go for their tutorials, then you have to go to the future academy. This is it on the this is their page on YouTube, all right? The future academy, all right? Okay, so you can go to this future academy. You have so many videos there on web design. They have so many videos. You can see all of them down here. Poster design. You have reasons why designers should use Pinterest. You have create margins for your designs, things so many things. How to not suck at color, 5 color theory tips every designer should know. Okay, so you have a lot here, a whole lot. You continue going down, you see. So depending on what you want to learn exactly, you can just come to this future academy. Or there's another one, the name is Yes, I'm a Designer. This is their page on YouTube. All right, Yes, I'm a Designer. Yeah, you can also check this one out. It's also good. All right, so both of them, they just provide professional level insights for free. You don't have to pay. All right. See some of their videos as well. Okay. See some of their, you see design trends. You see a whole lot here. You see image of scalar and enhancer workflow with magnific AI. So mind-blowing scribble animation, Photoshop tutorial. All right. So you see a lot here, so you can check out these two um YouTube channels. They can show you a lot. You can see so many tutorials here. Plus you get the benefit of learning from a community of creators. Okay, so it's good, very good. All right. So guys, the fifth website which we are going to be talking about is Behance. Okay, and Behance is also known as a portfolio platform. All right, so it also offers free live streams and tutorials from professional designers. Okay, so you can watch experts work on real projects and even ask questions during live sessions. It's like a masterclass, but without the cost. Okay, you don't have to pay, it's also free. All right, so this is their homepage. All right, so if you want to check out, see what they wrote here, the best graphic design work, including poster, logo, branding, music, packaging, and more. Okay, you can just check out their projects, and you see some of their projects are here. Okay, you can just click on any of them and watch it. Like I said before, you can watch experts work on real projects, okay, and even ask questions during live sessions. So that means they include the live streams, free ones that you can check out and learn some things from. All right. Okay.